Hi, this is Suzy from Itachen Library. Today I would like to show you how to make flan with mug in the microwave.
You just need sugar, milk, egg, and vanilla essence.
For the caramel, you need 1 spoon of sugar and then half teaspoon of water. And take to the microwave. The wattage 600. And then cooking time is 1 minute. Now you need 2 spoons of sugar and 1 egg and half cup of milk. And a little bit vanilla essence. And then stir with a fork or a chopstick. Use a tea strainer or in a cup. And then put mug in the microwave and set the same temperature 600 watts and cooking time 2 minutes. So let the flan to set to cool down before to put in the fridge. After it cool down, to put it in the fridge for 3 hours.
Now ready to eat. Enjoy!